Ever stared into the abyss of your fridge, desperately searching for that last avocado to complete your signature guacamole? Now imagine that fridge is your entire restaurant stock, and that missing avocado could mean a grumpy customer and a lost sale. That's the stressful reality of restaurant inventory management. Food costs are a constant battle, and running out of key ingredients can derail your entire service. So, the question is, can your point-of-sale (POS) system be your hero in this fight, or is it just another order taker? Today, we're diving deep into TouchBistro, a popular iPad-based POS system, to see if it offers the inventory management muscle you need to tame the chaos. Because believe us, conquering your inventory is the key to a smoother, more profitable restaurant. Let's face it, traditional inventory management can be a clunky, time-consuming beast. Spreadsheets galore, manual calculations, and the constant worry of human error. That's where a good POS system with integrated inventory management steps in. Ideally, it should streamline the process, give you real-time data, and ultimately save you money. So, does TouchBistro deliver on this promise? Inventory management with a bite. TouchBistro's system explained. The good news is, TouchBistro does offer inventory management functionality. It's built around two key systems: ingredient-based inventory and countdown inventory. Ingredient-based inventory is perfect for those recipe-driven dishes that rely on specific quantities of ingredients. Think juicy burgers, sizzling stir-fries, or decadent desserts. Here's the magic. TouchBistro lets you define recipes by linking them to the individual ingredients they need. This way, every time you sell a dish, the system automatically deducts the used ingredients from your stock. Now, for those simpler items like bottles of wine or bags of chips, TouchBistro has countdown inventory. This system tracks them by unit, so you can easily see how many you have left and set reorder points to avoid stockouts. Beyond the basics, TouchBistro's inventory management features. But TouchBistro doesn't stop there. Here are some additional features that make their inventory management system a strong contender. Cost tracking. Want to know exactly how much each menu item costs to make? TouchBistro factors in ingredient costs to give you real-time food cost percentages. This empowers you to make smarter decisions about pricing and profitability. Low stock alerts. Never get caught with your kitchen bare again. TouchBistro can set up automatic alerts to notify you when ingredient levels dip below a predetermined point. This ensures you can order supplies before you run out, keeping your service running smoothly. Reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your inventory trends. TouchBistro generates reports that show you what's selling well, what's gathering dust, and where you might be experiencing waste. This data empowers you to optimize your purchasing and streamline your menu. TouchBistro Inventory Management. Is it right for you? TouchBistro's inventory management system offers a robust solution for restaurants that want to take control of their stock. Here's who might benefit the most. Restaurants with recipe-driven menus. If your menu features dishes with specific ingredient requirements, TouchBistro's ingredient-based inventory can be a game-changer. Restaurants looking to reduce food waste. Gaining real-time insights into your inventory can help you identify areas for improvement and minimize waste. Restaurants on a budget, TouchBistro's cost tracking and reporting features can help you optimize your spending and maximize profitability. However, it's important to consider if TouchBistro aligns with your specific needs. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Complexity. TouchBistro's system might have a bit of a learning curve, especially for those new to recipe-based inventory management. Scalability. While TouchBistro is a great solution for many restaurants, larger operations with complex inventory needs might require a more robust system. The final bite. Taming the inventory beast. So, can TouchBistro be your hero in the battle against inventory woes? It certainly has the potential. With its ingredient-based tracking, cost analysis, and insightful reporting, it offers a powerful toolkit for taking control of your stock. No matter your choice, effective inventory management is crucial for restaurant success. By keeping track of your stock, you can minimize waste, optimize your menu, and ensure your customers always have a delightful dining experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.